Hey everyone, and welcome back to this class, Deep Reinforcement Learning, Deep Learning in Python Part 7. In this lecture, we are going to summarize everything we've learned in this section, which was focused on the policy gradient method. The difference between policy gradient methods and non-policy gradient methods is that instead of just modeling the value function, we also create a model for the policy. This allows us to create a probabilistic policy naturally, rather than doing something like epsilon greedy where we have to choose epsilon, which we might end up doing suboptimally. We started this section by just looking at how we would parameterize the policy, or in other words, make up a function to model the policy with some learnable parameters. Then we asked, well, how can we optimize this policy? For that, we needed to create an objective function for the policy. Once we did that, we saw that it was just business as usual, learned by playing some episodes and doing gradient descent. One benefit of using policy gradient methods is that it very naturally extends to continuous action spaces. So instead of doing softmax at the output layer of our model, we could just output a mean and variance representing a Gaussian, and then sample from that Gaussian to get an action.